This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the host so the virtual machine runs reliably. Enable CPU virtualization in BIOS or UEFI, then install your chosen hypervisor, VirtualBox or VMware player. Once installed, create a new virtual machine entry and pick the target guest OS type. This ensures default settings match. Make sure to allocate sensible resources. Select RAM, CPU cores, and a disk image size that fits your needs. After creating the VM, attach an ISO installer so you can boot into the guest and start installation. You now install and configure the guest operating system inside the VM. Boot the virtual machine from the attached ISO. Follow installation prompts just like on physical hardware. After the OS is up, install the hypervisor's guest additions or tools to enable shared clipboard, better graphics, and folder sharing. This makes the guest behave like a real machine. Next, set up networking. Use NAT for simple internet access or bridged mode if you need the VM on your local network. Finally, tune display and storage settings. You finish by locking in a stable VM and adding safety nets. Create a snapshot or clone to capture a clean state for quick rollback. This saves time during testing. Configure automatic backups and set resource limits so the host doesn't starve. If performance lags, increase RAM or CPU cores, or enable paravirtualized drivers for better I/O. If something goes wrong, make sure virtualization is enabled in firmware and reinstall or update guest additions. This often resolves driver and networking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.